Hello my friends and welcome to the Walters Art Museum online. My name is Kelsey and I'm an education coordinator at the museum. I want to thank you all so much for joining us today wherever you are to look at some art and to make some art. Today we'll be talking about the portrait of the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, and then we'll create our own portraits out of torn paper. Let's get started with some close looking. This is a portrait of the Roman Emperor or ruler Marcus Aurelius. What do you think a portrait is? A portrait is an artwork depicting someone. When this sculpture was made thousands of years ago, portraits were only created for important people like emperors or philosophers, and Marcus Aurelius was both. As an emperor, Marcus Aurelius was in charge of protecting the Roman people. As a philosopher, he studied ideas. He liked ideas that taught people to come together as a community and treat each other kindly. Look closely at this sculpture. How do you think he is feeling? How can you tell? The artist chose to show features or parts of the face that were unique to Marcus Aurelius, such as his hair. What features make you unique in your physical appearance and personality? Portraits come in many shapes and sizes. You may know the modern day version of a portrait, the selfie. Snap a picture right now with whoever you're with, selfie style. Let's continue to explore our faces and feelings with our own torn paper self-portraits. For this project, you will need paper, craft glue, and whatever arts and crafts odds and ends you have around the house. Start by tearing your paper into sheets, squares, and other little bits. Will you make a portrait of yourself? This is called a self-portrait. Or will you make a portrait of someone else? Start by creating eyes, nose, ears, mouth, hair, and any other unique features from the torn paper. Then explore new materials. Use whatever you have at home to decorate your portrait. This could include pastels, beads, pasta, paper clips, or foil. That's all for now, my friends. For more resources, be sure to visit our website, www.thewalters.org, and follow us on social media. I hope to see you next time at the museum. Bye-bye.